Hey everybody, it's Jay, and this is Getting Sober, again. And today I wanted to talk about something really quickly. It's just how to physically change your mental state, how to reprime yourself to get out of a negative mindset. Whenever you find yourself just feeling a little bit down, whenever you feel that you're just not giving off the proper vibration or vibe that you want to be giving off, think about the people that you get along with most easily. Think about the people that are in a positive mindset, the people that you just get along with. And you think like, wow, man, everybody really seems to get along with this person really well. Everybody seems to like this person. And what does it kind of come down to? It's, is that person handing everybody $100 bills? Are they bringing cake and cupcakes and ice cream every day and just brightening everybody's day with small bribes? Or is it just something simple that they just kind of carry themselves with a more positive attitude? And I know that I haven't been, personally in my life, I haven't been the most positive person all the time, but easy way that I figured out to portray myself and to give off the, maybe it's an illusion, but give off an illusion that I'm in a much better mental state than I might seem to be, is this. Just because you're feeling negative doesn't mean that you have to act negative. Just because you're feeling tired doesn't mean that you have to act tired. Anytime that you're feeling any kind of negativity, you don't have to act on it. Very simply, a small exercise that I want you to try moving forward to try to get through your days with all the work that you have to do, all the things on your to-do list, all the things that you want to tackle with regard to self-improvement, and you know how far you think that you might be from achieving your goals. It's really easy to just like walk around with your head down and your shoulders slumped and talking low and not very enthusiastic about anything. It's really easy to just snap out of it. Sit up straight. Pick your shoulders up and walk through the room with the confidence that you want to exude to other people. People only know what they see. And just because you have bills, just because you might not have the job that you want, just because maybe your relationship at home isn't the one that you want it to be, or it's not working out as well as you want it to, doesn't mean that you have to act that way. How would you feel? More importantly, how would you act if money was no object? Think about that for a second. If you had the job that you wanted, and you had the personal relationships that you wanted, and the spiritual enlightenment that you wanted, and you had all the days of sobriety in the past and in the present, with all the momentum moving forward, that everything was going the way that you wanted it to, how would you walk through a room? How would you walk down the street? How often would you smile at somebody? At a complete stranger, at a coworker, at a friend, at a family member? How would that feel? How do you feel thinking about that right now? How does it make you feel? A lot happier, doesn't it? It's really easy to put on a smile if you think about everything's working out for me, everything's going to be fine. Where is the evidence that anything's wrong? That wormhole wants to tell you, well, it's in my medical bills, it's in my mortgage payment, it's at home, it's in the argument that I just got into. And that's when you need to snap out of it and think, do I want people to see that? Or do I want to carry myself with a more positive attitude? It's literally just a choice. All you have to do is portray yourself as not being bothered by your environment, by your bills, by your coworkers, and get through this minute, get through the next minute, get through the next hour, get through today, and build your momentum on a daily basis. It's a very simple exercise. Imagine how you would feel and how you would act if everything was going your way. And just do it. That's all you have to do. Just do it. The law of attraction is going to start working out in your favor. raises at work, promotions at work. The people that you have in your life are going to start to see you differently because you will have rearranged your own molecules in your body to be at a higher vibration. And you might say like, oh, well, so I'm just acting. Well, yeah, just like you act negatively, you can also act positively. You can also act with more kindness and more compassion and more understanding. And once you start putting that back out into the world, guess what's going to happen? You're going to start getting it back. Just like all of those people, the people that you work with, and you wonder, how is it that everybody likes this person? How is it that everything seems to go so easily for them? It's because they've tuned themselves into that frequency that allows them to be receptive to positivity. Why not give it a try? Over and over and over again. I bet that your days get easier. More of the things that you want to happen for yourself in your life will also start to happen. So try that out this month. Try it out next month. Try it out whenever you see this video, maybe 2 years from now, and see if it doesn't make your life just a little bit better. Again, this is Jay. This is Getting Sober Again. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the like button, and feel free to leave some comments down below and let me know what you do to change your positive mental attitude. How do you maintain a positive mental attitude? What is it that you push aside? What is it that you ignore? How is it that you let your light shine in this world that can sometimes be overwhelmingly negative? That's all for today. Talk to you again soon.